This video explains how you can import the repository from GitHub account to your Azure DevOps account. So for that, you have to go to Azure DevOps and then click on repositories. And then at the top, you have to click on the current repository. Then you will see this import repository button. Just click on that. And then you have to put the clone URL. I have already put the clone URL in here, you can see. And then you have to select this requires authentication. So if it is a public repository, then you don't need to do this requires authentication thing. But if your repository is private, then you will need to provide the authentication. Now you can't use your username and password of GitHub account here. What you need to do is you need to use your username, that is reply to Sagar. You can see that's my username. So whatever is your username, you have to put it there. And in here, instead of password, you have to enter PAT, that is personal access token. You can create the personal access token in your GitHub account by going to the settings. So you have to click on settings. Once you are in settings, you have to click on developer settings. And then you can click on personal access tokens. So you can see here, there is one button, generate new token. So just click on that and then create a new token. That token has to be copied and saved on your local machine at a safe place. And once the token is ready, you can paste it over here. And then you can give the repository name here, new repo. Then click on import. Then all the repository contents will be copied into your Azure DevOps. So cell name PHP new, as you can see, this is the repository that is being created. It is importing all the files from your GitHub account. So this is my GitHub repository. And everything is imported now. And this is the contents of that repository. So that is how you can import your GitHub repository, especially the private repository. For public repository, you don't need personal access token or authorization, authentication, etc. Only for private repositories, you will need that. Thanks for watching this video.